Welcome to IICCM Studio Kitchen. I'm Emmy Benedict and today we are preparing tomato rasam. The word rasam is derived from the Tamil word called irasam and Sanskrit word called rasa, which means extract or essence. And it is believed to be originated in the 16th century in Madurai by Saurashtra's an immigrant community. They prefer to call it as pulichar, which means tamarind or tart. And rasam is believed to be the king of Indian soups, and it helps to keep us away from a lot of sicknesses like constipation, indigestion, cold, and flu. Let's have a look at the ingredients required for the preparation of tomato rasam. First one are red chilies, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, whole peppercorns, few curry leaves, asafoetida powder, garlic cloves, tur dal, tomatoes, turmeric powder, mustard seeds, diluted tamarind puree, some coriander leaves, ghee, salt, and water. So first we are going to start with the preparation of rasam powder. So for that we need a dry roast the ingredients. The ingredients for rasam powder are 2 red chilies and 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of whole peppercorns, few curry leaves, and a pinch of asafoetida powder, 1 tablespoon of tur dal, and 5 cloves of garlic. Now I'm gonna dry roast these ingredients until the aroma comes out. Our spices have been roasted. Let's cool down before grinding it. Now let's add the roasted ingredients to the mixer jar. Now our rasam powder is ready. Now let's transfer it into a small bowl. Now let's start with the preparation of rasam. So for that we have to roughly chop the tomatoes. Now let's transfer the chopped tomatoes into the bowl. Now let's start with the preparation of rasam. So for that, I have taken a pot and I'm adding the roughly chopped tomatoes into it and the diluted tamarind puree, half cup of diluted tamarind puree. Let's keep the flame on medium. Now I'm gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and some salt to taste. Let's combine it well together. Now we'll add some crushed garlic into it. Let's combine it well together until the aroma comes out. We need to cook this until the tomatoes get mushy for about 5 minutes. Our tomatoes should be ready by now. Yeah, it's very mushy and perfect. Now let's add ground rasam powder into it. and combine everything together. Now it's time to add 2.5 cups of water into it. Let's mix it all together. Now let's bring this mixture to a boil. Now our rasam is boiled. Let's roughly chop some coriander leaves and add into it. Now it's almost done, so let's off the flame. Now let's heat a pan and add some ghee into it. And half teaspoon of mustard seeds. 2 red chilies. And some curry leaves. And a pinch of asafoetida powder. Let the mustard seeds flutter. Now our tempering is ready. We'll pour this tempering to the rasam mixture. And close it as soon as it's done. So now it's time to serve the rasam. So normally in South, rasam is had with steamed rice. So normally in southern part of India, rasam is had with rice, steamed rice. So let's taste this aromatic soup. It's perfectly tangy and it's bursting the flavors of all the spices. Thanks for being with us throughout this video. Hope you liked the recipe, and if you would love to start a career in culinary arts, please join us with IICCM.